Hello, I'm John. I work as a design engineer. I make product designs in the order of the tasks assigned to me. Also, I spend extra time on ERP data entry of the products I design. There are always unexpected tasks in the busy work schedule. Therefore, there may be points that are overlooked. I'm at YENAPLUS Data Exchange Service, which handles all communication between ERP and 3D Experience platform for me. I can quickly integrate with the 3D Experience platform by making a one-time setup according to my business needs. I can use any attributes of the contents on the platform to define various conditions, and thus I'm able to make my own configuration for ERP integration. For example, I can ensure that only the released content from a particular collaborative space is transferred to the ERP system. Data Exchange Service has integrated the 3D Experience platform and my ERP system quickly, synchronously, flawlessly. Data Exchange Service automatically performs the operations in the background that meet the criteria I set in the one-time setup.